Hey super learners! Welcome back to Kids Wise Corner, the place where learning becomes fun, simple, and powerful. If you're ready to boost your brain, build confidence, and become the best version of yourself at school, then you're in the right place. Today's video is a big one. We're talking about how to ace your exams. Yes, real tips, smart strategies, and simple tricks to help you study better, remember more, and walk into that exam room feeling confident and prepared. So grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's unlock your success together. We are now heading into Term 2 exams, and a lot of students are feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or even unsure where to start. But here's the truth. You can do really well in your exams if you understand how your brain works and follow the right strategy. Let's start with stress. Think of your brain like a scale. On one side is the exam, and on the other side is your preparation. When the exam feels too big and your preparation feels small, you feel overwhelmed. When the exam feels too easy, you become lazy and careless. But when both sides are balanced, you enter the perfect zone. This is where you feel focused, alert, and ready to perform. Your goal is to stay in this balanced zone. So how do you do that? First, set the right goal. If you aim for perfection all the time, you might feel too much pressure. If your goal is too low, you won't try hard enough. Choose a goal that challenges you but still feels possible. Second, use your time wisely. Starting the night before an exam creates stress. But if you study a little bit every day, even just 20 to 30 minutes, the work becomes much easier and less stressful. Third, make a simple plan. Don't think about the whole syllabus at once. Focus on small tasks like finishing a few questions or revising one concept. Every small win builds confidence. Now let's talk about how to actually study. Most students make the mistake of jumping straight into questions without understanding the basics. Instead, follow these 6 steps. Step 1. Understand the theory. Don't just memorize. Make sure you know why something works. Step 2. Test your memory. Close your book and try to explain what you learned. If you can't, go back and review. Step 3. Study worked examples carefully. Understand each step, not just the final answer. Step 4. Practice questions. Start with easy ones and slowly move to harder problems. Step 5. Mix topics together. Exams don't group questions by topic, so your brain needs to learn how to switch between different types of problems. Step 6. Practice under exam conditions. Use a timer and try past papers so you get used to the pressure. Now, let's talk about focus. Every time you get distracted, it can take your brain up to 20 to 30 minutes to fully refocus. That means checking your phone for just a few seconds can cost you a lot of valuable study time. To stay focused, keep your phone away, clean your study space, and write down any distracting thoughts so you can deal with them later. Finally, let's talk about motivation. A lot of people think they need to feel motivated before they start studying, but it actually works the other way around. You start first, and then motivation comes. Begin with a small task, finish it, feel good about it, then move on to the next one. This creates momentum and makes it easier to keep going. Also, make sure your work is not too easy and not too hard. If it's too easy, you get bored. If it's too hard, you feel stuck. Aim for a level that challenges you but still feels possible. As exams get closer, focus on revising topics and practicing mixed questions. In the final days, do timed papers and focus on how questions are asked. And the night before the exam, don't cram. Get a good night's sleep so your brain is ready. Remember, you don't need to be the smartest student to succeed. You just need the right system. Stay consistent, stay focused, and believe in your ability. Good luck with your exams. You've got this.